There is another meaning of dhana. Janma mrityu sukha dukkha क्षुधा तृष्णा धन इति उच्यते. जन्म मृत्यु सुख दुख क्षुधा तृष्णा dhanam iti uchyate. The meaning is birth and death, happiness and unhappiness, hunger and thirst. These are known as dhana or wealth. Dhananjaya means one who has conquered this, one who has victory over birth and death, one who has conquered happiness and unhappiness, one who is free from hunger and thirst is Dhananjaya. So, now tell me, do we not want to be free from the fear of birth and death? To be free from birth and death, what does it mean? I am not going to die, and if I am not going to die, I am not going to be born again. I am immortal. I am immortal spirit. This experience, living in this truth, this knowledge is Dhananjaya, conquest over birth and death. To whom is birth and death? It is for the body. But I am not the body. I am the spirit. I am that soul within. How can I have death or birth? Dhananjaya, one who is established in that knowledge is Dhananjaya. Do you not want to be like Dhananjaya? To be free from fear of birth and death? To be established in truth that I am the spirit beyond birth and death? Sukha dukkha, victory over happiness and unhappiness. What is happiness? What is unhappiness? The definition given by Lahiri Mahashaya. He said sukha and dukkha. What is the common letter, common syllable? Kha. Sukha, dukkha. Kha. What is the meaning of the word kha or the letter kha? Kha shabda akasha brahma. Then what is sukha? What is dukkha? He said samipa kha sukha durete kha dukkha in Bengali. He said be closer to kha is sukha, go away from kha is dukkha. Kha means akasha, kha means brahma. If it is akasha, where is akasha? Visuddha and up. Akasha, parakasha, mahakasha, chidakasha, dharakasha, atmakasha. There are different level of space, ether. So, samipa kha, sukha, if you are closer to kha, you will get constant happiness. Durete kha, dukkha. If you are away from kha, means here, here, here. Closer to divinity, Brahma, kha means Brahma. If you are closer to Brahma, or you are merged in Brahma, you are in constant sukha. If you are away from God, away from divinity, away from Brahma consciousness, then you are in dukkha. So victory over sukha and dukkha. It will come sukhe dukkhe samekrutva. Sukha and dukkha, they are nothing but the same. However, Kshudha trishna. Kshudha means hunger, trishna means thirst. One who has conquered hunger and thirst is Dhananjaya. So, we got few meanings of the name Dhananjaya, and we want to be victorious. We want to get the state of Dhananjaya. And how to get the state of Dhananjaya? If you have self-discipline, if you have self-control, you can be Dhananjaya.